PPB Group Berhad is a holding company with a wide variety of interests in Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia. PPB's main business is food production and processing goods like edible oils, flour and animal feed. It also has investments in a chain of cinemas, commercial properties and residential property development. Additionally, the company has holding in livestock farming, chemicals, environmental engineering and waste management. PPB was originally established in 1968 in response to the Malaysian government's encouragement to create a local sugar industry. The company went public in 1972 and has since ventured into other industries, although it exited the sugar business in 2009. The company is controlled by members of the Kwok family, whose family immigrated to Malaysia from China in the first decade of the 20th century. PPB Group Berhad is an investment holding and property investment company that is listed on Bursa Malaysia. As of 31 December 2021, the PPB Group is a conglomerate with total assets and market capitalization of 27.40 billion and 24.33 billion respectively. These businesses are principally divided into 6 business segments, which are grains and agribusiness, consumer product, film exhibition and distribution, environmental engineering and utilities, property, investment and other operations.
In grain and agribusiness, flour milling is the first operation. PPB Group Berhad's majority on FFM Group, which operates flour mills. In addition to grain and agribusiness, PPB Group Berhad also has animal milk feed. FFM Group, which operates 5 feed mills in East Malaysia and the Peninsula, it produces 170 hours. In consumer products, PPB Group Berhad does a number of things that involve FFM Group. The first thing they do is distribute consumer goods. FFM Marketing Sdn Berhad has built a strong distribution network and now sells a wide range of fast-moving consumer goods under its own brand, as well as other international and local brands. The bakery is the second consumer good. The Italian baker Sdn Berhad operates a state-of-the-art baking factory in Pulau Indah with 3 fully automated factoring lines. PPB Group Berhad is also involved in film exhibition and distribution, which consists of 2 activities: film exhibition and film distribution. In film exhibition, the environmental engineering and waste management activities of PPB Group are undertaken by Chamquest Sdn Berhad 100% subsidiary CWM Group Sdn Berhad. CWM Group offers holistic solution, sophisticated technology and professional management services in the water, sewage and drainage sector. PPB Group's properties division is known for designing high-value residential, rental and commercial buildings. PPB entered the property market in 1982 when it bought Thailand Realty Sdn Berhad, today known as PPBH. PPB Group Berhad is involved in chemical manufacture for investment and other purpose. Chamquest Sdn Berhad subsidiary Malayan Adhesive and Chemical Sdn Berhad (MAC) makes formalin, adhesive and other intermediate designs. MAC core business include formaldehyde and acrylamide.
Several figures that can be highlight the company's performance. Among them is revenue. The revenue that PPB Group Berhad got in 2020 is 4.191 million ringgit and in 2021 increased to 4.857 million ringgit. Revenue changes in 2020 and 2021 result in a 15.9% change. The 13.6% change is attributed to an increase in profit attributable to owner of the parent experienced by PPB Group Berhad in 20 and 2021, which is 1.317 million ringgit and 1.496 million ringgit respectively. The equity attributable to the parent's shareholders grew from 22.819 million ringgit in 2020 to 22.431 million ringgit in 2021. This rise resulted in a 7.1% change in the equity attributable to the parent company's shareholders. Other than figures that have been mentioned, ratio also can be highlighted to show the performance of the company. One of the ratios is return on equity attributable to the parent company owners, which has increased from 2020 5.8% to 2021 6.1%. A higher percentage indicates a company is more effective at generating profit from its existing assets. Likewise, a company that sees increases in its ROE over time is likely getting more efficient. The company's earnings per share have also improved by 92.57 cents to 105.17 cents. This growth is beneficial to the company because the higher a company's earnings per share, the better its profitability. The company's net assets per share increased by 16.04 ringgit and 70.17 between 2021 and 2021 respectively.